जब सांसें डगमगाने लगती हैं। एक माँ अपने बच्चे को गोद में लिए सारी उम्मीदें खो बैठती हैं। पिता की धड़कनें धीमी हो जाती हैं। तब कोई मसीहा आता है, सफेद कोट में स्टेथोस्कोप लिए, आंखों में विश्वास लिए।
In quiet halls and bustling wards, where time runs fast and life is hard, you walk with calm, with steady hands, a garden in light who understands. You met with care, you lead with grace, hope gently glowing on your face. Through sleepless nights and endless days, you light the dark in quiet ways. With every pulse, with every chart, you heal not just wounds, but hearts. No crowns you wear, no swords you raise, yet heroes walk in your quiet ways. You faced the storm, you've stood so tall. You answer still the selfless call. For every life your hands restores, the world is grateful forevermore. So here's to you on this special day. To all the thanks we wish to say. To every doctor near and far, you are our hope, our guiding star. Doctors care for all ages, from newborns to the adults. Doctors are essential at every stage of life, from childbirth, childhood illnesses, adult health and other aging problems. Doctors are the guardians of health and life. They save life, diagnose diseases, perform life-saving surgeries and give treatment for the people to recover from illness or injuries. Without them, many would not survive the serious health issues. Doctors keep learning fast. They study constantly to offer us the best, latest care, from new surgeries to cutting edge of cancer treatment.
Doctors bring comfort in pain. They are trained not just in science but also in compassion. In tough times, whether physical or emotional, a doctor's support can bring immense relief.
Doctors stand strong in crisis, during pandemics, natural disasters, or medical emergencies. A doctor is the first one to stand, even if it means sacrificing their own lives to help save others.
Yeah, I'll be there as soon as possible. Do whatever is right at the moment. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there in 20 minutes. Yeah. Priya? Is she not well yet?
No, she's still having the fever.
Did you give her the medicines that I prescribed yesterday?
Yes, I gave her, but her condition is not improving. I think we should get the blood test done.
Yeah, sure. So I'll send Satish by 9. Make sure she has all the medicines after her complete meals. And give her fruit juice also, okay?
Where are you going? You should stay with your daughter.
When we help others, it's God who helps us. Do you know what is the primary motive of me choosing this profession? It's because when we make sacrifices, we get double the returns. Okay? I'll have to leave right now. Take care of her, don't worry. I'll be there as soon as possible.
I'd like to come early.
Okay, and I'll consult her condition on the basis of her blood samples. Okay? Bye!
A doctor is one that gives us hope when our own body has given up. They help prevent diseases. They not just treat illness, but also help prevent them by conducting regular checkup, vaccinations, and advice. Doctors stop small problems from turning into big ones.
कोरोना काल में जब हम घरों में बंद थे, तब यही डॉक्टर्स मौत के सामने खड़े थे, बिना डरे, बिना थके। कई ने तो अपनी जान भी गंवाई, लेकिन डटे रहे हमारे लिए। जब हम गहरी नींद में सो रहे होते हैं, तो डॉक्टर्स ऑपरेशन थिएटर में किसी की जान बचा रहे होते हैं। जब हम त्योहार मना रहे होते हैं, तो डॉक्टर्स इमरजेंसी वार्ड में घंटों भूखे खड़े रहते हैं।
Doctors are the pillar of society. Healthy people make the nation strong. Doctors play a major role in building that strength by keeping the community physically and mentally fit.
डॉक्टर सिर्फ दवाई नहीं देते, वो उम्मीद देते हैं। एक मुस्कान में भरोसा और एक स्पर्श में शक्ति भर देते हैं।
दिल से कहते हैं थैंक यू डॉक्टर्स, क्योंकि आप हैं तो हम हैं, हमारा जीवन है। आपके बिना हम अधूरे हैं, आप नहीं होते तो हम नहीं होते।